કેમ છો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો? આજે આ વિડીયોમાં આપણે સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 10th ના ઇંગ્લિશ સબ્જેક્ટમાં અગેન્સ્ટ ધ ઓડ્સનું કોમ્પ્રિહેન્શન છે તેનું સોલ્યુશન કરવાના છીએ. ફર્સ્ટ આપેલું છે ટિક માર્ક ટ્રુ ઓર ફોલ્સ. ઇફ ફોલ્સ કરેક્ટ ધેમ. વિધાનો આપ્યા છે તેને ખરા ખોટા કહેવાના છે. જો ખોટું વિધાન હોય તો તે આપણે સુધારવાનું છે. ફર્સ્ટ સેન્ટેન્સ છે ધ ગવર્મેન્ટ ફંડેડ 21 લાખ રૂપીઝ ટુ બિલ્ડ ધ રેલવે સ્ટેશન. અહીં ગવર્મેન્ટ આપ્યું છે એટલા માટે સેન્ટેન્સ ફોલ્સ થશે. આપણું ટ્રુ સેન્ટેન્સ થશે ધ પીપલ ઓફ ધ વિલેજ પુલ્ડ ઇન 21 લાખ રૂપીઝ ટુ બિલ્ડ અ રેલવે સ્ટેશન ઓન ધેર ઓન. સેકન્ડ સેન્ટેન્સ છે મેજોરિટી ઓફ પીપલ લિવિંગ ઇન તાજનગર આર બિઝનેસમેન. અહીં બિઝનેસમેન આપેલું છે એના માટે સેન્ટેન્સ ફોલ્સ થશે. તો ટ્રુ સેન્ટેન્સ થશે મેજોરિટી ઓફ પીપલ લિવિંગ ઇન તાજનગર આર ફાર્મર્સ. થર્ડ સેન્ટેન્સ જોઈએ રણજીત સિંહ ઇઝ ધ સરપંચ ઓફ તાજનગર વિલેજ. અહીં સરપંચ આપ્યું હોવાથી સેન્ટેન્સ ફોલ્સ થશે. તો ટ્રુ સેન્ટેન્સ થશે રણજીત સિંહ ઇઝ ધ ફોર્મર સરપંચ ઓફ તાજનગર વિલેજ. Fourth sentence, Azaz, the electrician, was given the job of technician. તો અહીં સેન્ટેન્સ ટ્રુ છે. ફિફ્થ, out of 1000 members of the library 300 are women. તો આ સેન્ટેન્સ છે એ ટ્રુ છે કારણ કે ત્રીજા ભાગની વુમન હતી. તો સિક્સ્થ સેન્ટેન્સ the library arranged seminars to solve the family problems of women. અહીં માત્ર ફેમિલી પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ આપ્યું છે એટલે આપણે સેન્ટેન્સ ફોલ્સ કહીશું. ટ્રુ સેન્ટેન્સ છે એ થશે The library arranged workshop in home economics, gardening, childcare, arts, and to help women to manage family conflicts, legal disputes, and professional problems. Seventh sentence છે separate reading room for women was set up to give them safe space. તો sentence is true. કોમ્પ્રિહેન્શનમાં સેકન્ડ આપેલું છે ટિક માર્ક ધ મોસ્ટ એપ્રોપ્રિએટ ઓપ્શન. હવે અહીં આપણે યોગ્ય વિકલ્પ પસંદ કરીને સેન્ટેન્સ કમ્પ્લીટ કરવાનું છે. ફર્સ્ટ આપણે જોઈએ તો ધ વિશ ઓફ વિલેજર્સ વોઝ ટુ બિલ્ડ અ રેલવે સ્ટેશન. તો આપણો આન્સર સી થશે. સેકન્ડ રેલવે ઓથોરિટીઝ રિફ્યુઝડ અ રેલવે સ્ટેશન બીકોઝ ઓફ લેક ઓફ ફંડ. ફંડના અભાવે રિક્વેસ્ટ છે એ રિજેક્ટ કરી હતી. થર્ડ સેન્ટેન્સ છે વોટ ઇઝ ધ સોર્સ ઓફ સ્મોકલેસ લાઇટ. તો આન્સર થશે સોલાર પાવર. ફોર્થ પલક્કડ્સ લાઇબ્રેરી ઇઝ યુનિક ફોર ઇટ્સ વુમન મેમ્બર. ફિફ્થ ધ લાઇબ્રેરી સેટ અપ a separate reading room for women because the women could feel safe. Sixth, the solar panels are installed on the roof of the strong-walled homes. થર્ડ આપેલું છે તો અહીં કૌંસમાં જે શબ્દો આપ્યા છે તે શબ્દો છે તેના દ્વારા આપણે અંડરલાઈન કરેલા શબ્દો બદલાવાના છે. તો આપણો પેરેગ્રાફ બનશે મોસ્ટ ઓફ ધ 3000 પીપલ લિવિંગ. અહીં સ્પેલિંગમાં તમે જોઈજો તો લિવિંગના સ્પેલિંગમાં મિસ્ટેક છે. ઇન ધ વિલેજ આર ફાર્મર્સ. બટ such was the burning desire to have a station in the village. Everybody contributed according to their capacity, ranging from 3000 rupees to 75,000 rupees. They donated money for the station and we started the construction in January 2008, said Ranjit Singh, a former village sarpanch. ફોર્થ આપેલું છે કે મેચ ધ સેન્ટેન્સ ફ્રોમ ધ ટેક્સ્ટ વિથ પેરેફ્રાઇઝડ સેન્ટેન્સીસ રાઇટ ધ નંબર ઇન ધ બોક્સ. અહીં જે સેન્ટેન્સ આપ્યા છે તેના લગતા સેન્ટેન્સ ઓરિજિનલ સેન્ટેન્સમાંથી આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાના છે. તો ફર્સ્ટ ધ વિલેજર્સ કલેક્ટેડ 21 લાખ રૂપીઝ ટુ બિલ્ડ અ રેલવે સ્ટેશન આફ્ટર ધ રિજેક્શન ઓફ ડિમાન્ડ. તો ત્યાં આવશે ડી for 25 on their own. એ સેન્ટેન્સ જે છે એ ઓરિજિનલ સેન્ટેન્સ ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં આપેલું છે. Second, the villagers had to go 6 kilometers to catch a train to Gurgaon, Delhi and Rewari. તો ત્યાં આવશે સેન્ટેન્સ F. There are a large થી લઈને from તાજનગર સુધીનો પેરેગ્રાફ ત્યાં આવશે. થર્ડ છે a place in Sitapur got transformed with the help of a plan of electrifying it with solar energy. તો તેમાં G આવશે. Fourth, an organization arranged for power at low cost. તો તેમાં આવશે C. Fifth, villagers watched the setup of grid at proper place as it was like a festival. તો ત્યાં આવશે B. Sixth, the library started to settle all kind of disputes of women. તો તેમાં આવશે E. And last છે the library provides the women the strength to empower them. તો A. હવે અહીં સેન્ટેન્સ આપ્યા છે તો તેને રિલેટેડ ક્વેશ્ચન કયો છે તે આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે. એક્ઝામ્પલ આપેલું છે they pulled in 21 lakh rupees. તો C નંબર પર જે ક્વેશ્ચન છે એનો આન્સર છે who gave the money. તો અહીં કેવો પ્રશ્ન પૂછી શકાય સેકન્ડ સેન્ટેન્સ માટે? તો સેકન્ડ સેન્ટેન્સ છે we had to either go to Halimandi or Patli to catch a train. તો તેમાં આવશે E. What was the problem in that? Third છે in Sitapur district one such place with no power a small social enterprise is trying to change things. So D. What are they doing? Fourth છે but it has recently been in the news for different reasons. So A. What is that? Fifth, the unit got together to discuss methods of empowering women. તો તેમાં આવશે B. How did they do it? Question answers છે. First question છે how long did the people of Tajnagar try to persuade the railway authorities for a railway station? તો આપણો આન્સર થશે the people of Tajnagar tried to persuade the railway station authorities for 25 years for a railway station. Second question છે where did the villagers have to go to board a train? The villagers had to go to Gurgaon, Delhi and Rewar to board a train. Third question છે what is the main problem in rural Uttar Pradesh? Answer થશે the main problem in Uttar Pradesh is that more than 60% of the houses are without power. Fourth છે in just 1 year's time what has MGP achieved in Sitapur district? Answer in just 1 year's time the MGP has connected more than 3,500 customers to solar power mini grids at the village level. Fifth question છે what is the main advantage of solar light according to a village farmer? According to a village farmer, the main advantage of solar light is that it saves the environment because there is no pollution. Sixth question છે for what can people use Palakkad District Library? People can use Palakkad District Library for information, knowledge, wisdom, cultural activities, research and reference. Seventh છે why did the women unit get together? The women unit got together to discuss methods of empowering women. Eighth, what did the library open its halls for? The library opened its halls for film screening, workshop in home economics or gardening, childcare or the arts, and for women to get help in managing family conflicts, legal disputes, and professional problems. Ninth છે what does the Palakkad's library stand for? Palakkad's district library stands tall as a beacon to encourage women's empowerment through classes, clubs, workshops, and reading rooms. Seventh, answer this question 2 or 3 sentence. First આપેલું છે What was the burning desire of the people of Tajnagar? What did they do for it? The burning desire of the people of Tajnagar was to have a railway station in their village. And to do this, everyone in the village contributed according to their capacity and collected 21 lakh rupees. Second question છે, why did people raise their demand for railway station in their village? How did the authorities respond? Answer થશે, the people of the village had to either go to Halimandi or Patli to catch a train. Both the stations were 6 kilometers away from Tajnagar. The railway lines also passed through the village and so the people demanded a station there. The authorities said that they did not have funds. Third question છે, what is MGP, an NGO, doing in Sitapur district? Why? An NGO called MGP is building a network of low-cost solar microgrids that provide two LED lights and a mobile charging point to all paying households at a cost of 25 rupees per week. Fourth question, how were the panels installed? The roof of a sturdy brick-walled house in each village was chosen to install the panels and the battery. The panels are installed in southerly direction to capture as much sunlight as possible. Fifth, how have solar microgrids helped the village people? તો આન્સર થશે, due to solar microgrids, there is no pollution and so the environment is also saved. Besides this, new businesses have also emerged in the village. Children study more and women enjoy cooking in light. Sixth question છે, what did the secretary of the library point out? તો આન્સર થશે, the secretary of the library pointed out that through reading, women would realize their own strength and forge a unity. Seventh, what did the library do for women? The library launched a women's unit in February 2014. The unit formulated plans on opening separate reading rooms for women. It encouraged women's empowerment through classes, clubs, workshops, and reading rooms. Write short notes using the points given in the bracket. તો ફર્સ્ટ છે પલક્કડ ડિસ્ટ્રિક્ટ લાઇબ્રેરી, તેના માટેના પોઈન્ટ્સ અહીં બ્રેકેટમાં આપ્યા છે, તો આપણે શોર્ટ નોટ રીડ કરી લઈએ. The Palakkad District Library was established in September 2013. It is a library, a center for information, knowledge, wisdom, cultural activities, research, and reference. A third of its 1,000 members are women. So, the library launched a women's unit in February 2014. The unit got together to discuss methods of empowering women. The library opened its halls for film screening, workshops in home economics or gardening, childcare, or the arts, and for women to get help in managing family conflicts, legal disputes, and professional problems. The unit formulated plans for opening separate reading rooms for women. It encouraging women's empowerment through classes, clubs, workshops, and reading rooms. Second છે, dream of railway station comes true. So there were a large number of people and students in Tajnagar who had to go to Gurgaon, Delhi, and Rewar. They had to either go to Halimandi or Patli to catch a train. Both the railway stations are 6 kilometers away. The railway lines passed through the village and so the people demanded a railway station there in 1982. But the railway refused, saying that they did not have any funds. So the villagers decided to build a station themselves. Everybody contributed according to their capacity, ranging from 3,000 rupees to 75,000 rupees. They pulled in 21 lakh rupees and built a railway station on their own. Their dream came true on 7th January 2010. Third છે MGP's drive for solar power in Sitapur district. Mehra Power has connected more than 3,500 customers to solar power mini grids at the village level. Village by village, MGP is building a network of low-cost solar microgrids that provides two LED lights and a mobile charging point to all paying thousands uh, to all paying households at cost of 25 rupees per week. The MGP team maps the village house by house, working out where to place each wire so as to connect customers to power source. Due to solar microgrids, there is no pollution and so the environment is also saved. Besides this, new businesses have also emerged in villages. Children study more and women enjoy cooking in light. अन्य वीडियोની અપડેટ મળતી રહે એટલા માટે ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરશો. થેન્ક યુ.